what's up guys, at Lifestyle. Today we're here at JQ Laser. I'm going to show you what these lasers can do, okay? So let's follow and make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm going to take you inside and let's see what these laser machines can do. Come on, let's go. I'm here with my friends. This is
Hello.
Lola. Hello, Lola.
Hello.
Ni hao. And this is Alan. Hello, Alan.
Hello.
Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Okay. So if you were doubting what these laser machines can do, these are the things that they cut, okay? This is just for sampling right here. You can see how thick this metal is and it's gonna cut it, okay? That's the use of the laser machine. So you're gonna need the laser machine, you know which company to contact, the JQ Laser Cutting Factory. We are here right here. And damn, this thing is so thick and heavy. Ooh. Oh, so heavy. And right here, some of the other materials or metals that these lasers can also cut or design, you know what I'm saying? And you know, right there we have the bigger materials. Right here we have this, you have this smaller or lighter ones, okay? And you even have steel. They have steel. So if you in a steel factory and you just want to quick cut your steels, you know what to order. They have the machines for you. So whatever or how hot the substance is, they're gonna get the machine that's gonna deliver what you want, okay? Remember, it's JQ, and you gotta subscribe to the channel for right here, Lifestyle. We keep it 100, okay? These are the certifications, guys. Hey guys, welcome to the factory itself. You say, hello, factory. So they are building the machines. This one is already finished?
Yeah, not finished.
Not finished, okay. Oh, these ones are finished. You see, this one is like a house. It's like a little room. You can stay there. You know what I'm saying? Woo. JQ. This is another machine. Lola, what does this one do? This is still a laser machine?
For plate cutting, metal plate.
Oh.
All for orders for our customers.
Oh, orders. Oh, this one is for orders already. How much do you think this one can cost in
How
RMB?
much?
Yeah.
You mean, what's the question?
How much does it cost in RMB? How much?
Let me see. Like, it depends on the power.
Okay.
And the power depends on the metal thickness.
Okay.
And if it's around 31.
31,对，31 300,000. Wow.
The single, it's different
From the other one. Okay, this one cuts smaller metals, right? Yeah, so this one these are samples that it does, right?
carbon
Wow.
steel and
Wow.
aluminum, stainless steel.
Aluminum, yeah. Wow. Guys, this is great. Wow, this is so heavy.
It's a machine with a high power, so it will cut a thicker.
A thicker one.
Yeah, thicker one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It depends on the power.
Okay.
And
So
price also depends on the
the machine power.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So that's impressive. This is another one. Is this one finished?
Yeah, finished one.
Okay.
It will be shipped maybe
Next month or next week. Oh, right here is where they do the packaging, guys. When the machines are done, they package it right here and ship it to you. Okay? So I'm right here with one of the engineers building this machine. See, he's still working on it and he's very busy. I'm sorry to disturb you. Ni hao. 加油. Yeah, guys. Huge tube laser machine for metal tubes. Okay? Remember the other ones I showed you cut plates, okay? So these ones are tubes. Look how huge and massive they are. Let me walk you around so you see what I'm saying. And as you're seeing what I'm saying and you're interested, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. And you can share this video and press a like and comment if you need this machine or not so we can send it up to you. Oh, this is going to Canada. I see it's already custom-made already in English. So it's custom-made in English already. It's going to Canada. Damn, that's super great. Damn, so big.
sold to South Korea.
Wow.
Korea.
Damn, how much can this one cost?
More than
More than $1 million, right?
yeah.
More than $1 million. More than $1 million. So this is another one. Is it the same like the one that's going to Canada? Are they the same? I mentioned Yangma. No.
Different. But it's all for metal tube cutting.
Okay.
But you know the machine bed is different. It's horizontal one.
Yes.
Horizontal type.
Yeah.
And another one is the vertical type.
Okay.
And also it's no cover.
Oh yeah, it doesn't have no cover.
But
That one got a
fully
cover.
covered.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which one is expensive? That one or this
That
one?
one.
That one is
That
more
one,
expensive.
because it's more. It has more
Functions.
strict requirements.
Okay.
And
okay.
we customize the machine for our Canada
Customer. Okay.
Yes.
And this one is going to South Korea, a little bit cheaper. So Lola is telling us the difference between the two machines. The one that's going to Canada over there has a cover and it has more functions and it's customized according to the Canadian customers' desire and their wants or what they wanted to do. Meanwhile, this one is going to South Korea. So this one is a little bit cheaper and that one is much more expensive because of their functions and customization. This is great. So these machines only cut metal and stuff like that. Can they cut paper?
No, I'm sure.
Okay, if you want.
Absolutely no.
If you want to cut paper, you use scissors, right? You don't need the laser.
Yeah. Yes, you are correct. Like this is angle steel.
Yes.
This kind of all kinds of tube profiles, like round tube, square tube, rectangle tube, angle steel, channel steel, H-beam, and channel steel.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it can cut it.
All
of this.
Yeah.
Wow. This is so great.
For US.
This one is for USA too?
Yeah.
So guys, you see this machine is going to the US. This is another, and this is a sample of what this machine can do right here. An angle metal. Look at how super big the thing is, man. And everything, this is the control panel. You control everything from here. And this is supposed to be shipped out very soon. Yeah. JQ laser. Oh, I found myself a souvenir. Okay, I'm gonna take this one home, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do something with this one. See, one machine is almost like, damn, look at the machine. It's almost like a train, so long, so big, man. For those who want to building bridges and stuff like that, guys, you know who to contact. Wow, guys, can you see how big? See, an H curved metal. This is what the machine does. Okay, and this is another one right here. This one has been sold again, going to, I think, Indonesia, right? Yeah, Indonesia. So this one's going to Indonesia and it's already sold out. How impressive. And you're taking a look at this one, it's more than 1 million RMB, okay? So I'm gonna move from one end of the machine to the other. Let's see how long it's gonna take me from running from one end to the other end and back. Ready? Guys, 0, 0, start. (16, 17 seconds, guys. Woo! That tells you how long the mission is, okay? That's how long it is. Here, so guys, this is still in process. See, now the motherboard has not been installed. Everything is still in process. The engineers are working on it. To prove to you, we are in the factory and not in the trading company. But they tell you, come and have it, but they don't have it. Guys, as you're watching, remember to subscribe to the channel. So guys, this is a new specialty of the laser cut machine. This one's going to go to Europe. It's super big, okay? Guys, I'm not in a construction business. I don't know what they can do or how they call this one, but that's it's been still on construction. They're programming it. Certain guys are doing the stuff right here, okay? Super big. And this is their flagship. This is what they just built in September 2024, and it was in the Shanghai show to prove how competent they are. They built this magnificent machine. It does a lot of complicated stuff that you can imagine. You know, when they're building it, they are testing, okay? When building, they're testing. That's why they have the metals right here. So as they build, they test it. That's why they have the metals right here. These machines are custom-made according to the European market, okay? This is designed especially for the European market, so it's custom-made according to the client's demands, okay? So it's bespoke. You order it how you want it, okay? And they're gonna build it for you. Tell me this is not impressive. I'm gonna wait. So you see, they're selling to Europe, Asia, America, and stuff like that. Wow, look at how big this is. This is what the machines do. Actually cut this one. And right here by the side we have a little one that's going to be on construction very soon. This is going to be built. And guys, see what the machine does, right? That's what it does.
Round tube.
Yes, this one cuts the round tubes. Yeah, this is what it does. Cuts the round tube. So this one cuts H-beam and angle steels. Angles. This one's have angles. That's the H-beam. So when you're looking for an H-beam cutter, this machine does it for you. And right here at the factory, we're showing you live and direct from LifeStack. So when you're watching, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, or you can tag someone who wants this machine and don't know how to get it. And you can get it a little bit cheaper if you come to my channel and tell me you want this machine. They can sell it to you for a few dollars cheaper. Yeah, and maybe a few euros cheaper, a few thousands of euros cheaper if you contact me and you want these machines. These ones are smaller. You can see the engineers working on it. This one is economical, simple for small businesses. So many of them are already they're still under production. They're still in process, still to be built. These are some of the things this smaller laser machines can cut. Okay, you can see the pipes, the round pipes, the angle pipes. You know what I'm saying? The smaller ones. You can see these are, when the machines are built, they're gonna use this to do the samples for the customers right here. So that's me in the factory, and from me to you, LifeStack. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, okay? And see you next time on LifeStack for We Keep It 100, okay? Where technology meets lifestyle to make your life comfortable and beautiful. Peace out.